One good thing you can sell in your business, and it doesn't matter what type of business you are, you can be a training company, you can be a builder's merchant, you can be absolutely anything, a pet store, is to sell training. Now, we have over 350 different types of training courses at ProTrainings. So what we've done is developed gift cards, and these gift cards are a standard plastic design, comes on a header card, so you can put them on a counter, you can put them on your shelving. And the way it works is you've got the main course title here. This is one for defibrillation, how to use an AED unit. On the back, there's a scratch panel and you can redeem a code. So you literally just scan the QR code or go directly to the website. And then you can enter this code to redeem the course and the student's up and running with it. So these cards themselves, particular one we've got here is an AED one, but we do these in all sorts of different subjects. We have a whole range of pet first aid, we have different types of human first aid, health and safety, mental health, anything at all. So we can make any one of our courses into a gift card. The other advantage of these, if you're looking at higher volumes, is we can actually put your logo on them. There's a minimum order of 100 units if you want that. And if you want to, and there's larger numbers, we can completely bespoke design the card and also the different course codes on there. So if you want a card that does a certain thing, we can put a different code. We can even make these cards work with multiple courses. And again, that's subject to a minimum numbers. The advantage you've got with these is it means that you can very easily sell training, very high margins on selling these. There's no expiry date to them, so they're not going to expire after a year or so. The code is valid, so you've got plenty of time to actually sell them. And what they'll get is a lot of access directly to the courses and all the other material that we have at ProTrainings. So when they log in, they have access to student manuals, download links, and all sorts of other bits and pieces. For more information on these cards and how you can start selling them in your business, please contact us.